Why most English speaking practice fails. If you understand English but can't speak, this video is for you. Many learners feel frustrated because they study English every day, but when it's time to speak, their mind goes blank. This happens because most English practice is passive. People watch videos, listen to podcasts, and read posts, but they don't actually speak. Watching helps your understanding, but it does not train your mouth to speak. Speaking is a physical skill. Your tongue and lips need practice, just like muscles in the gym. Another big problem is fear of mistakes. Many learners wait to speak until their English is perfect. But perfect English never comes first. Confidence comes after you start speaking, not before. When you avoid speaking because of fear, your English stays inside your head. Some learners also memorize grammar rules and random vocabulary without using them in real sentences. This makes English feel heavy and confusing. English is not about knowing many rules. It's about using simple sentences again and again in real life. Remember this, speaking English is a skill, not a talent. You don't need to be smart or gifted. You need the right practice, every day. Method 1, Daily 5-minute speaking habit. The first method is simple, but very powerful. Speak English for 5 minutes every day. Not once a week. Not only when you feel motivated. Every single day. You don't need a partner, and you don't need perfect English. You can practice alone in your room, while walking, or even in front of a mirror. Talk about your day. Say what you did, what you are doing, and what you will do next. Describe what you see around you. For example, I am sitting in my room. I am learning English. Today I feel excited. These simple sentences train your brain to think in English naturally. Do this without your phone and without any script. Don't read. Don't memorize. Just speak from your mind. At first, your sentences will be slow and simple. That is normal. The goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is fluency. Fluency means your words move without stopping too much. 5 minutes may feel small, but small daily practice is stronger than long weekly practice. If you speak for 5 minutes every day, after 30 days you will feel more confident. After 90 days, you will notice real change. Start today. Method 2, Shadowing. Copy native speakers. This method will quickly improve your pronunciation and speaking rhythm. It is called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a short English clip and repeat the words immediately with the speaker. You don't wait. You speak at the same time or just 1 second behind. This trains your mouth to move like a native speaker. Choose very short clips. You can use YouTube shorts, movie scenes, or short interviews. Listen to one sentence and repeat it. Try to copy the tone, the speed, and the emotion. If the speaker is excited, sound excited. If the speaker is calm, sound calm. You are not just copying words. You are copying how English sounds in real life. Here is a simple way to practice. Pause the video, repeat the sentence, then play it again and speak with the speaker. Pause, repeat, copy the accent, repeat again. Do this for only 2 or 3 minutes every day. Short daily practice works better than long practice once a week. At first, you may feel strange copying someone's voice. That's okay. This is how children learn languages. Remember this power line: don't learn English. Imitate English. Method 3, speak with yourself using real-life situations. This method helps your brain start thinking in English before real conversations happen. You practice speaking with yourself using real-life situations. Even if you are alone, you can train for real life. Imagine simple situations like ordering food, talking to a friend, going for a job interview, or asking for directions. Then speak out loud as if the situation is real. For example, you can say, "Hello, I would like to order tea, please." Or, "Can you help me find this place?" You can also create small conversations in your mind. Ask a question, then answer it in English. This may feel silly at first, but it is very powerful. When you practice like this, your brain starts to prepare sentences before you need them in real life. So when you actually meet someone and need to speak English, your mind will not freeze. The words will come faster because your brain has already practiced the situation. Do this for a few minutes every day. You can practice while walking, while waiting, or before sleeping. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to make English feel normal in your daily life. The more you practice real-life situations, the more confident you will feel when those situations happen for real. Method 4. Learn phrases, not single words. Many learners study English by memorizing single words. They learn words like hungry, happy, or tired. But when it's time to speak, they don't know how to use these words naturally. This makes their English sound robotic and broken. Instead of learning single words, learn full phrases and simple sentences. For example, don't just learn the word hungry. Learn the phrase, "I'm feeling hungry." Don't only learn happy. Learn, "I'm really happy today." When you learn phrases, your brain learns how words work together. This makes speaking easier and faster. Focus on common daily phrases, useful sentence patterns, and simple expressions you can use in real life. Phrases like, "Can you help me?" "I don't understand," "What do you mean?" and "Let me try again," are much more useful than long word lists. These phrases help you survive real conversations. When you learn English in sentences, you don't need to think too much about grammar. The sentence already has the grammar inside it. This is how children learn to speak naturally. Remember this power idea: English is not words. English is sentences. Method 5. Record your voice and fix one mistake daily. One of the most powerful ways to improve your English is to record your own voice. Many learners speak every day, but they don't hear their mistakes. When you record yourself, you can listen carefully and notice areas to improve. Start by recording just 1 minute of speaking. Talk about your day, your thoughts, or anything around you. After recording, listen to yourself. Don't try to fix everything at once. Choose just one mistake to focus on, maybe pronunciation, a missing word, or a small grammar error. Fix that mistake next time you speak. Doing this daily builds progress without pressure. Don't try to be perfect. Perfection slows you down and kills confidence. The goal is small, consistent improvement. Track your progress weekly. Compare your recordings from the beginning of the week to the end. You will notice small changes, and those small changes add up fast. Remember this motivation line: you don't hear your mistakes when you speak. Recording shows the truth. The truth may feel uncomfortable at first, but it is exactly what you need to improve. By recording and correcting daily, your speaking will naturally become clearer, smoother, and more confident. Method 6. Speak before you feel ready. Many learners wait to speak English until they feel ready or perfect. But the truth is, confidence comes after speaking, not before. You don't need perfect grammar or a large vocabulary to start. Mistakes are not failures, they are proof that you are learning and improving. Start with simple sentences. Talk about your day, your thoughts, or even what you see around you. Speak out loud, even if your English feels bad. The more you speak, the more your brain learns how to form sentences naturally. Your mistakes will become fewer over time, and your confidence will grow. Remember this strong quote: fluent people were once beginners who didn't quit. The secret to speaking English confidently is action, not waiting. Start today, speak now, and don't worry about perfection. Every word you speak is progress, and every mistake is a step closer to fluency. Now you know the 6 proven methods to practice English and actually speak confidently. Remember, learning English is not about talent, it's about consistent practice and taking action every day. Start small, speak daily, record yourself, copy native speakers, and don't wait until you feel ready. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need to start speaking. Mistakes are normal, they are proof that you are learning. The key is to keep going, even when it feels difficult. Here's your challenge: choose one method from today's video and do it for the next 7 days. Comment below, Day 1, if you're starting today. Share this video with one friend who wants to speak English confidently. And don't forget to subscribe for daily tips that make English easy, fun, and natural. Your voice matters. Your English matters. Start speaking today, and you'll see progress faster than you think.